Today, a lot of people jump into texting, jump into cold calling, jump into events, IBM. But not a lot of people, I think, do direct mail, which is a kind of competitive edge. And besides, I believe that the reason why I do blind offers, and in general, this is again direct mail, could be also neutral range. But if I think about all the calls that I took, I would say that 80% of the people that I talked to was all like 55 plus years old, 60 years old and more, which means that 7 times out of 10, they are not very tech savvy.
My guest is Arturo Paturzo. In this conversation, we go through how Arturo works his business, has scaled it, and how he operates remote outside of his 9 to 5.
I sold a property in Arizona that came back to me. The owner came back to me after 2 years. It was one of my first campaigns because they had it in the drawer and they found it and they decided to sell. Well, the very great profit, like probably 15 or 20,000. But the letter is something that you can stick on your fridge. You can take in the drawer when in the right moment, you take it out and you sell. You are old, you don't read the phone, you don't know how to text on the phone, you don't read the email, you don't have an email, but you receive a letter always. So I think that there is something into a direct mail that is not going to die. Of course, you need to have the budget to send out enough letters to get deals.
The Legends of Land Show.